In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any design responsive in Figma. We'll walk through a simple workflow that lets you preview and adapt your designs across multiple screen sizes without rebuilding everything from scratch. If you have a Figma file open already, great. If not, head over to figma.com, sign in, and open the project or file you want to make responsive. Make sure you're on the page and frame that contains the layout you'd like to test. Having your main artboard tidy and named clearly will make the process smoother. Next, look toward the bottom of the Figma interface and open the Actions menu. This is where you can quickly find tools without digging through multiple menus. From there, switch to Plugins and Widgets. This section is your hub for extending Figma's capabilities, and it's exactly where we'll find the tool that helps with responsive previews. In the Plugins and Widgets window, use the search field and type breakpoints. You're looking for a plugin designed to simulate different screen widths so you can see how your layout behaves as it scales down to tablet and mobile, or up to larger desktop screens. Installing or opening it takes just a moment. When the plugin opens, you may be prompted to start a free trial or continue if you already have access. Go ahead and proceed so you can get to the settings. Inside the plugin, you'll see options to select screen widths commonly used for responsive design. Choose the widths that match your project needs. Think desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you're unsure, pick a balanced set so you can catch layout issues early. Once your widths are selected, click the plus sign, then select the frame on your canvas that you want to make responsive. The plugin will attach those breakpoints to your chosen frame and generate the views you need to compare. From here, use the plugin's preview to move between widths and observe how your content reflows. This doesn't alter your original design, it simply mirrors it at different sizes so you can evaluate spacing, hierarchy, and readability. If something looks off, it's typically a signal to revisit constraints or auto layout settings in your original frame. Those are the rules that control how elements stretch, pin, or stack as the canvas changes size. That's it. You've connected your design to practical breakpoints and can iterate with confidence. Save your file, share the results with your team, and use what you learn to refine your layout across devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.